Good morning, guys. Happy e-learning day. I think number 5 now total. Again, just like the previous 4, we're just going to take a couple minutes to go through, make sure that we can use this time the best of our ability and keep everything rolling before we get back into class, hopefully on Wednesday. So what I want to do is just talk about what we're going to look to do here today. I know yesterday you looked at e-learning or the big ideas for 9.2. Continue to work on that. I think 5 of you have already submitted that, which is great. But just keep working on it. We're going to move on to 9.3 today. So you can see I've got a video on here. Now I want to tell you, I'll press play here. You can see the video itself is 15 minutes and 30 seconds. We are not going to watch the whole video. Okay, I want you to get to right at 10 minutes. Okay, so hold on just a second, guys. Basically, when you get to this screen right here, that's when you need to stop. Okay, so it's theorem 9.7. And 9.8, we will talk about those together on Wednesday. So watch the first 10 minutes of the video. That'll go through and explain the very first part of similar right triangles. Okay, now what I've also done is I've gone through, if you have access to a printer, want to print out this copy, that's the examples that the video is going to go through and talk about, so you can have that. If you want to just take notes on a separate piece of paper, you can do that as well. If you don't want to take notes at all, that's also fine. I will give you a note sheet when we get back in class, because we will go through the rest of this video essentially when we're together. So it's up to you if you would feel better just watching along and then trying to work through problems. You can. If you want to try to take some notes, I do have a little guideline there for you. But again, that is completely optional for you. Okay, now once you get done with this 10-minute video, we're going to go to big ideas again. Okay, and you can see you should have 2 assignments that are currently on there. Okay, the 9.2, that was what we did yesterday, and again, I said 5 of you have already turned that in, which is great. Remember, you have the 3 days to work through that, so you'll have until I believe Friday for that. And then now we've got the 9.3. You should be able to do about the first half. I think it's exercise 19. It'll be something that's a little bit different, but you should be able to do everything up until that. Okay, if not, we will look at it together. Make sure you're reaching out with questions. I'll be glad to help as best I can. So again, just to recap, we're going to watch the first 10 minutes of this video on here. And again, I got another link right here. Got some notes that you can follow along with. If you're fine just watching it, just watch it. And then look to work through your big ideas. Okay, and again, we got office hours all day, so feel free to reach out to me. And hope you enjoy your second day here of e-learning.